Most people treat honey as just a basic sweetener for tea or a simple topping for their morning toast. But what if that sticky golden liquid was actually working overtime for your digestive system? I have been digging into the specific apple and cinnamon honey blend from Just Bee. This is not your typical grocery store find. They have taken high quality acacia honey and transformed it into a genuine powerhouse of prebiotics and probiotics. Usually, when a company claims their product is some kind of health miracle, my eyes start to roll. But here, the level of transparency is actually quite refreshing. They tell you exactly what is going on inside that jar. You get chicory root fiber. You get kiwi fruit extract. You get those essential live cultures that your gut craves. They even throw in some vitamin C for good measure to help your immune system. It feels honest and straightforward. There is no hiding behind vague terms or mysterious ingredients. You can actually read the list and understand every single word. That builds a lot of trust right from the start. The way you actually use this stuff is pretty versatile. Some people just take a big spoonful straight from the jar like a little midday treat. Others prefer to drizzle it over a hot bowl of porridge or stir it into a cold smoothie. It makes the whole concept of gut health feel less like a medical chore and more like a gourmet experience. You do have to be mindful, though. The company is very clear about who should steer clear of this blend. If you have a kiwi fruit allergy, this is definitely not for you. It is also not recommended for children under the age of 3 or for women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. I really appreciate that level of caution. A lot of brands just want to push for the sale at any cost. This brand seems to actually care about the safety of their customers. Now, let's talk about the actual feedback because it is absolutely massive. We are looking at over 14,000 reviews on Trustpilot. That is a staggering number for a specialized honey product. People are giving it a 4.8-star rating on average. They are not just raving about the sweet taste either. Users are claiming it helps with everything from their daily digestion to getting a much better night of sleep. It is wild how much a small, consistent change in your routine can impact your overall energy and mood. The delivery process seems incredibly solid too. People mention getting their orders quickly and well packaged. Sometimes they even find little extras like honey cups in the box. It makes the whole buying experience feel premium and thoughtful. You are getting a product that is completely free from gluten and dairy. There are no nasty artificial additives cluttering up the glass jar. It is just pure, functional food that actually tastes like crisp apples and warm, comforting cinnamon. It is a rare win in the crowded world of wellness supplements. It takes a simple pantry staple and elevates it into something that genuinely supports your body. It makes your morning routine a little bit sweeter without any of the guilt associated with processed sugars. Finding a product that balances incredible flavor with actual biological benefits is usually very tough. This honey blend seems to have cracked the code for a lot of people. They keep coming back for more and even buying it as gifts for their friends and family. That kind of loyalty usually tells you everything you need to know about the actual quality of what is inside.